Darian and welcome to my channel. Today, you and me are packing for a trip to Italy and Greece. So when I start packing, personally, I like to lay everything out on my bed like this. I organize based on the shirts, dresses, get out, go away. So I'm a bit of an overpacker. I packed 12 tank tops and t-shirts for this trip. That is 10 days. I packed about 7 dresses and all sorts of different dresses, some silky, some milkmaid, just a variety of cute options. I also packed 2 skirts and 4 pairs of pants, 2 of those being linen. You want to make sure you're not wearing jeans because it's hot. And since it is hot, we're gonna be sweating, so I do pair my biker shorts with my skirt so that my thighs aren't chafing. Chef's kiss. Don't forget to pack your PJs and your jewelry. This is everything I'm bringing. And I like to bring it in this nifty Vera Bradley case because it just holds it all together perfectly. One thing about me is if I'm going away for more than 1 week, I'm bringing full-size products. This is not Vera Bradley sponsored, but so many things I use is Vera Bradley. Bring a full-size thing, make sure it's clear, and this is gonna go in my checked bag because I am checking a bag. Another thing I wanted to point out for this trip, I like to bring another bag. So as we can see here, I'm just gonna bring this bag that I can put all my souvenirs in because I'm not bringing a carry-on bag, I'm just bringing a personal item and a checked bag so I have room for souvenirs on the way home. Another Vera Bradley product I cannot live without is this pill bottle, and the jewelry holder I showed you was also Vera Bradley. To open this up, I bring all my extra meds in this. I do bring one in my purse, like all of this stuff in my Amazon, but this fits all of my Advil, Tylenol, Benadryl. You never know what's gonna happen in another country with what you're eating and the atmosphere, so I always bring it, and then underneath, put a ton of Band-Aids because I be getting blisters. Some things I can't live without that you may not have thought of are washcloths, bring your own, and beach towels. This is a small microfiber, is it microfiber? Yes, microfiber beach towel. It comes in its own little carrying case. As you can see, it's super tiny, so it's perfect for your beach trip. A laundry bag, your stuff's gonna be getting dirty. You don't want your dirty clothes touching your clean clothes. This is a magical bag. I got this bag from Marshall's. However, it does exist on Amazon, so I'll link it in Amazon. It is convertible. So it's a purse, but it converts into a backpack. This bag was my saving grace on my last Europe trip, and because when it's converted into a backpack, these little crisscrosses protect the zipper so no one can get in. It also has this nifty back pocket where you can put your passport or your belongings, so it's up against your back and no one can get to it. So if you open it up, literally so much storage. I haven't put in anything in it yet, but this bag is worth every penny. Once again, not promoted, just helping the girlies out. So I totally forgot to mention, when it comes to toiletries, as you can see, I'm stacked up. But since we're going to the beach, I am going to be putting in extensions. They're not in yet, but you're gonna need leave-in conditioner if you also have extensions. Just keep that in mind. Don't forget your undergarments, your feminine products, your makeup, your jewelry, and all of your accessories in addition to your clothes. Let's get to packing. Personally, I love the suitcases that have the dual sides, the one with the zipper, and you need your packing cubes. I always like to roll my clothing. I feel like it just fits so much more and it kind of keeps things from getting all wrinkly. And I like to use packing cubes to keep things separate. When you are packing, you can pack either for the day or you can put all of your pants, all of your dresses, all of your shirts into different cubes. I usually plan exactly what I'm going to wear for each day, but I didn't this time, so I just decided to separate based on the item opposed to based on the day and the specific outfit. As you can see here on the side with the zipper, I like to put all of my spare stuff, so my shoes, my toiletries, my jewelry, my extra bag, anything that can keep my bag from getting super messy. I recently started throwing an Apple tag into my bag so that I can make sure I know where it is. The airports have not been super reliable, so this just makes sure that you have that comfort of knowing exactly where your baggage is. My day 3 outfit goes right on top because my day 2 outfit is typically in my personal item with me, and after zipping everything up, I make sure to put my PJs on top as well. Let's pack our book bag, which is our personal item for the plane. Depending on your personal style, these are my 2 favorite travel bags. This is a Gaston Luga
It is waterproof, and this one is literally just from Amazon, but it's my favorite.
As I was saying, I always put my outfit for the next day in my personal item. You never know if your luggage is going to be lost, so you want to make sure to have a clean pair of clothes as well as undergarments. I even throw in my hair accessories and jewelry, but most importantly, you need to bring your toiletries with you, your toothbrush, your toothpaste, face wash, anything that is going to help you feel clean in the morning. I like some under eye patches for the plane, as well as any deodorant, medication, the motion sickness girlies get also me. Make sure to throw in your makeup, but you have to be careful because in some European countries, they're really strict when it comes to liquids. This is my eye and headrest for the plane, my heatless hair curlers, your sunnies and prescription glasses, any tripod and content material, hair brushes and empty water bottle, my million chargers for all my content, organized, of course. You absolutely cannot forget your converter. This is a great one from Amazon. It has a ton of different countries if you plan on traveling more than just once. If you're going somewhere hot, you want a fan. You do not want your face to be dripping and ruining all your pictures. And lastly, make sure to bring some sort of long sleeve for the plane. It might be hot where you're going, but the planes are always freezing. For the day of, I always make sure to leave my plane fit out, my glasses, linen pair of pants, and lastly, a black tee. Schoolgirls listen to Darien Diaries because I have a podcast, a 20-something survival guide, where I teach you and me how to survive and thrive in our 20s. Thanks for watching and happy travels. Comment below any questions you might have.